all our hardware is installed on a trolley which is mobile, and this trolley can be moved around to the place where we are. If you see the table here, so it is positioned for doing hysteroscopy, and if it is toward the leg end and between the legs end of the table, then it's for the laparoscopy. Now if you see the various objects here, on the top is the screen for the camera, and then we have switches, and all the switches are marked so that there is no problem in saying which one is off and which one is on. Then we have the irrigation pump for suction irrigation. Suction is a different machine, but this is the irrigation, but it has a control unit for pressure and as well as flow rate, so we use it for as an instrument. And then we have the camera control unit, and below it is the light, so you can read the what is written on the machine: precision LED light source, and below it we can see the for the insufflation, the insufflator. So, and below it is the electrosurgical unit, and you can see that it is on a wheel, and these wheels are for easy mobility, and all the wires come here, and only one wire from the main plug which goes into the main machine, and you can see all the plugs are on the machine itself. You can see the plugs here, they are on the machine themselves, and from here the current is supplied to the whole of the unit. You can see that there is a cylinder which is silver with white coating on top, white neck, so this denotes that it's carbon dioxide. And if you see that there is a spanner here, it's a special spanner which can fit easily into the, so this should always be available, because this will open the gas when we open this. And if you see, this is the pressure regulator which is attached to the machine, and then from here it goes into the insufflator, which I have already told you behind. You can see it is entering into the insufflator inside. Now if you see the pressures here, it is a 70 kgs per square centimeter, which is equivalent to around 1000 pounds per square inch. So if we actually, the carbon dioxide within the cylinder is in liquid form, so the pressure will remain like this till the last drop is there in the cylinder. But once all the liquid is evaporated, it becomes gas, so suddenly it will drop, this pressure will drop, you can see it will go down. So as soon as it goes down, that means your gas cylinder can empty anytime, so it is time for you to change the cylinder. Anytime if you find that the pressure is low, on the lower side it has gone below the 1000 pounds or 70,000 pounds per square inch, or below 70 kg per square centimeter pressure, you should immediately change it for any other case, because the gas can shut off in between. So it is mandatory for major cases that the fresh cylinder should be fitted at the same time, rather than waiting for it to go to zero. Gas on. It is regulating itself. Self check, and then now you can see the actual pressure is 0, the set pressure is 10, and the flow rate is 3. You can see here, and this is the amount of gas which has left the machine. So it is in the off position, so it is a start and stop button, and then there is the cylinder button, cylinder indicator whether the cylinder has gas, so it is green, that means the cylinder has gas. And then we have the on and off switch, the on of the machine, main machine. So if you switch it off, everything will go off, but if you switch here, the gas will stop and again start without changing the numbers here. So if you see here, this is the outlet. From the outlet we have the gas pipe which comes out and goes to the patient. But what is this then? This is a HME filter. You can see from Romson. And this filter is very important because the cost of the filter is not that much, but it is important in the sense that it will particulate material which are present in this gas will be automatically trapped in this and will not go to the patient. This is available with every anesthesia machine, and you can fit it in front of the gas machine and get the flow. Now, how to set this machine now? Normally, we will set the pressure to 14 initially, and then this automatically will start showing when the gas starts, and we can keep it at 3. That is fine when we are putting the various needle. So once we put the gas on here, you will see that the pressure is 0. The pressure is actual pressure in the abdomen is 0 because we have not connected anything here. It is 0. It is flowing fast with a flow rate of maximum, that is 3. So these two are matching. So block the gas. So now you can see the pressure has increased to 11 and the actual flow rate is only 1 or 0. So that means there is some obstruction to the flow. So once the various needle is inside and we have put the various needle, and you find this kind of a reading where the pressures are very high and the flow rate is on the lower side, less than 1 liter per minute, and fluctuating, that means you are not in the correct. So the pressure is very high. So this way you can check that there is no your needle is not inside. So once the needle is inside, you will see that the pressures will be on the lower side. That means the pressure will be 6 and the actual flow rate will be more than a liter, and that means you are in the correct space. A very sensitive indicator for the machine to show you. So now you can see the gas which has left the machine is 3.1 liter. So this is the amount of gas which has come out from the machine and gone out. That doesn't mean that all the gas has entered into the abdomen, because a lot of gas will be aspirating, also it will be leaking. So this is just a crude indicator of the gas usage, but the main thing is this pressure. So we should not go beyond the 14 pressure, and once the various needle is out, because the various needle will not as it is let the gas go to a very high extent. Then once we put our first port, then we increase it to the maximum limit. So we increase it, keep it pressed, and it goes to the maximum. Don't have to keep on pressing again and again. Just keep it pressed and it goes to the maximum. Sometimes some people will always may increase this. So be very careful.